What can you say about the persimmon?
Oh, I don't know. Haven't tried one yet. Haven't picked one yet. This is.
Can you bite from the tree? Is it prohibited?
Okay.
How many bags did you bring?
Only one. I think one should be enough. How many bags your wife
She brought
brought
10,
it with you?
10 bags. Rob, what do you think of cherry picking?
Well, it's actually person one. I've got 4. I'm just asking if they could give me another free taste because I couldn't taste much. When is that enough?
Show your bite.
Oh.
How is it? Millie,
Yes.
what can you say about the persimmon here at the orchard?
The persimmon is so huge, but I'm looking for the biggest one to eat.
They said don't look for the biggest one. Look for the one that's very
What?
ripe,
Which is ready.
reddish,
Yeah.
orangish ish.
Look, someone tap this one.
Bye.
Look, you don't do that when you fruit picking.
That's right. Look at this.
Yeah, you have to respect
Someone just cut it. The fruit.
the fruit, because the farmers work hard to plant this, make it bear fruit every year
I'm confused what to
for us,
I keep on moving
for the
from
fruit
one tree to
pickers,
another,
for the
not
people
picking.
who buy from the market. So we have to respect the fruit, the trees, no climbing, not too much eat. Janjira, you have that's your third free.
Is that your third pick?
They said there's no there's no eat, all you can eat here.
Only one. I'm eating one. Only one. No, I haven't eaten it.
Anyway guys, I leave you here. I'm gonna start my fruit picking too. See you on the next vlog.